Welcome to my channel everyone. This is Elsie from High Hang Machinery. Today Elsie will introduce our plastic spoon and fork packaging machine. This is the sealing and cutting device, after which we will get the final products. The speed of machine now is 145 bags/min, which is very fast. Here you can see is the transmission line of our machine. Feeders are working in order. This is our fork feeder that is fast and stable. Next is the knife feeder. Our machine is operator friendly. Adding products doesn't need a lot of efforts. Our machines enable automatic feeding of a wide range of products, like plastic or wooden spoon, knife, fork and so on. Then is the salt sachet feeder and napkin folder. Our napkin folder can fold, print and emboss napkin according to needs. Look at the sense of order. Our machine is efficient and with high productivity. Touch screen makes easy control. Finally, you will get the final products. If you're interested, contact us.